I'm gonna be honest with you guys. A lot of guys are nice guys. They're quote unquote just stereotypical Mr. Nice guys. You're trying to please everybody. You wanna make sure everybody likes you. But one of the main ways to advance and actually move forward in this life is to use those things that makes you masculine. Utilize those things that makes you a man. And a big part of that is being able to use something called dark ambition. This will be a super quick video, but basically what dark ambition is basically bringing together that darker side of you. I believe Jung called it your shadow. Nietzsche, I believe, called it your daemon. But basically, kind of like as the word suggests, your shadow, the darkest part of you, your daemon, your demon. Basically those things that a lot of people will try to push away as, okay, well, this is bad. I'm a little bit manipulative, or I might be sneaky, or I might use people to get what I want. Well, a lot of times in this world, guys, just being frank, keeping it frank with you, sometimes you might have to bend the rules a little bit just to get what you want as a man. Now, don't take this the wrong way. I'm not telling you to go out there and be a bad person, but basically utilize that hustle within you. Utilize those things that make you want to go after your goals. Think about the Joker, think about Bane, people that were psychotic, whatever, but they were gung-ho on their convictions and they were gonna do everything to make sure that they came to life. Same thing even with Batman, the quote-unquote good guy. How many times did Batman beat people up to the point of like breaking their bones, taking everything from them? You have to have that same initiative when it comes to your life. So in a situation, if it's you or somebody else, well shoot, if it's you or me, then you gonna have to go, because I'm the one that's gonna come out on top every single time. And that's the mindset that you should have. One of my favorite books that I just finished, called The Science of Getting Rich, breaks it down really plain and simple, honestly, is that the best way that you can help people around you, your family, your community, society as a whole, is for you to get rich yourself. It's hard to reach down and bring other people up when you don't even have anything to stand on, you get me? So basically, don't be afraid to use that darker side of you, because in a lot of ways, that dark ambition is what's gonna help you get ahead. Comment down below, what do you think about this? Do you think it's okay to use our dark ambition as men to get what we want? I am gonna be making a full dark ambition guide, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when that video drops, more than likely next week. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you guys have been feeling a shift in your life, basically things have been changing, it might actually be a sign for you to go all in. And if that's the case, click on this video over here, which go over typical signs that will start showing up in your life when it is time for you to go all in. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon.